Which one would you? I am a cat. I don't know. How am I supposed to know? Now you sound like a cowboy. Shut up. I was out all night. Mommy! What? Did you open the window? Yeah. Huh? Yeah. What you doing? I'm farting. Huh? I'm farting. I was out all night. What do you think, woman? You think of the weird things to say, Giddy. Ah. That's so stupid. Yeah, okay. No. Meowie. 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 I want to get up. I'm serious. Gets me up. I want to go. I want to go. I have to take a pee-pee. I take a pee-pee. Take a pee-pee. Take a pee-pee. I will claw your boobs out. Ah, my boob! You are a little murder machine. You're worse than Griffin. Griffin that Toby Games has. Hey, look at me. Look at the camera. I'm looking at the camera and it sounds like a vagina. You're a dick. Actually, I'm a potato. Potato-loving cat. Because I'm German. It's about Nazis. Nazi cat. I also love PewDiePie, who was in Sweden but moved to freaking United States, and now freaking Britain cat and America are making fun of me now, and oh, nice cat. That's real nice. Yes, I know. It's fabulous. It's fabulous living in this world full of hatred. You started playing with my ears. Stop it. Stop. I don't like it. Don't want to become an old cat. No. Not even a year old and I'm talking. No. Stop it. I will just wiggle in my head to get them out. I will. I will. See? Look, it's a mysterious thing. See, I did it. I fucking did it. Now let me go. Let me go. Before I get the Japan cat down here. You are a Japan cat. What? I'm not a Japan cat. I'm your butt cat. Whatever. You're supposed to be Japan cat and cosplay, dummy. But I don't look Chinese. Or right now you look Chinese or Japanese or whatever. But they don't look Japanese. Right now you do. You don't want to be Japan cat, you really want to be Germany cat? Germany cat's all blue. He's all blue. You're not. I gotta give you a Japan collar later on. No, not the Japan collar. I don't like Japan. Japan eats cats. Or was that the Chinese table? I don't remember. They eat cats. I know that for sure. Japanese, Asian, whatever you are, Chinese, still eat cats and merp. Are you crying? No, I'm just sulsing. Yes, I'm fucking crying. I will bite you in the face. Can I see your mouth for a second? No. It hurts. It hurts. See what that tells you? See what that tells you? You will get a bitch slap from my paw. Because I am a pimp. You don't even know what pimp is. Fuck you!